was already decided in the BSA meeting. 1.5 hour for ruling, 1.5 hour for the opposition. And there was a meeting taken that took place between the Honorable Chief Minister, the Honorable Speaker, and along with me, Deputy Speaker. That it was decided that the ruling would divide the time among themselves and speak. Now, if the ruling cannot divide the time among themselves, that is their problem. They have to sit and decide what and how, who will speak how long. If they decide and inform the House that each MLA will be speaking for 10 minutes, we don't have a problem. When all want to speak, the time allotted is 5 minutes, 5 minutes to 7 minutes. Then I am following the protocol of the House. There is no question other than the time that has to be followed. It is only about the discipline in the House. You can see the last 3 days, the discipline in the House has been much better. Where people were speaking for 3 hours.
Logo said that Mapusa should be a smart, Mapusa should be smart city, a smart. Don't you think?
See, with the current smart city situation in Panjim, there is a lot of apprehension in the minds of people. जायत्या लोकांनी सांगला ते आम्ही म्हापसा बीन स्मार्ट करू नाका म्हणून ते पणजेचे पयलीं जावं न्ही म्हणून बेस्ड ऑन द एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पेंजिम then we will take a call whether Mapsa, Fonda, Margaon has to become smart or not smart. I think even the department is very clear on that. I don't think no other MLA has asked for any smart city, and I am not in the view that we should do a smart city. We can do a smart city only when one project is successful.
But why Michael is saying interfering in your?
There is no interference. He has spoken as a person who is coming to Mapsa city. Everybody is dependent on Mapsa. If you listen to his speech, it was very positive. There is no negativity in what he has said. He has spoken in the interest of the city of Mapsa as a person from Parra Kalangut constituency. कित्याक तेंचोय जाय तो लोक म्हापशा येता. तेंचो जाय तो लोक म्हापशा येता. So तेणें जें उलयलां, it is in the interest of public, in the interest of all of us. कितें आतां हांव वयर बसलेलो आसता, म्हाका सकयल वचोन उलोवंक शकना. टायम गावता तशें आमी चान्स पडल्यार आमी सकयल वचून उलयता. बट विशय मांडपा खातीर एज डेप्युटी स्पीकर आय एम लिमिटेड बाय माय रोल टू आस्क टू स्पीक सर्टन थिंग्स. बट इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द पब्लिक आय थिंक all 7 MLAs, I am also part of the 7, all have the same interest. But Kallus also is my neighbor. He has also brought up some issues during the session yesterday.
Thank you.